Today we're up pretty early because we're doing something kind of different. We're driving north, actually into Georgia, to take a ferry to Cumberland Island, and we're gonna do pretty much a 3/4 of a day worth of fishing up there. All right, well, we just got off the boat. We're gonna try to head to the beach. We just got greeted by some wild horses right off the bat. Pretty cool. It is hot. This beach is gonna hit the spot. Here we are. Let's get to fishing. Looks good. The waves are not too tall at all. I got 2 rods with me, bag of shrimp, bag of mullet, some pompano rigs, a shark rig. Packed pretty heavy actually, so I'm glad we made it here. It looks good, not a soul to be seen. Well, the water looks pretty good. I'm gonna wade way out there. On to something, let's see. It's not really fighting that hard. I don't think it's that big. What's it gonna be? Whoa, a big catfish. No, it's a shark. It's a shark. Jesus. Cool, cool, cool. There we go. There wasn't a doubt in my mind when I reeled him in that that's what I was going to use him for. If they got a little bit bigger, I would start keeping them, but it's early. We got a lot of time here still. Something ate it. Let's see what. Something ate it. It's not all that big. I put up a good fight at first, but it's a shark, I think. He ate the entire kingfish. Black tip, not a bad one. He ate an entire kingfish, John. I threw a whole whiting out live. Oh my God. A whole live whiting. Just casted out some shrimp and I hooked up. Doesn't feel too big, but let's see. Nope, it is a catfish. He's gonna find me. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm onto something big. Just started filming. I'm onto something huge. It's on a massive run. Ani, look at it just go. I'm not gonna be able to land this fish. It's right there. It's now it's going to the left. It's huge. I'm gonna run on the line. I'm not gonna be able to land this. Oh my gosh, I'm onto a huge shark. I don't even have anything to say. I'm onto a huge shark. I don't even have anything to say. I just forgot I was even recording. It's huge. Oh. I don't even know what to do. There it goes. It's gonna spool me. I need to get some line back. How am I gonna be able to do this? It's gonna spool me. I'm done right here. I'm done right there. By no means that's what I was going for. I hate that it spooled it, but I gave it a good try. That's all I can say is I gave it a good try. I charged out there. I was, you know, up to my waist in water, reeling in as much slack as I can to try to gain any back. I charged out into the water to give myself a little more wiggle room, but other than that, I don't think I actually got one actual crank on them. So anyway, our ferry is going to be leaving in like 30 minutes. We had a great time here. We got lots of bites, tons of shark action. We saw sharks up in the shore. We saw them out deep coming up with their fins. You know, we caught 2 of them. You know, it was great. It was great. This is great fishing, Cumberland Island. We'll definitely come back if I'm ever in this part of the state again. I didn't even really show much of the beach, but it's just pristine. No trash, barely any people here. So definitely recommend it.